Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of Amazon finds under 300 rupees. The first one was such a hit amongst you guys. So many comments for part 2, so here I am. In fact, I think I'm going to make this an Amazon series because it's actually a lot of fun finding these hidden gems on Amazon for you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first product is this beauty blender sponge holder and it's such a cute color. Just be careful, there are tons of these on Amazon which can also go up to 800, 600 rupees. So you don't want to pick those up. I'm obviously going to link the right one down below. So it comes with these two covers. And the purple one goes at the bottom, the pink one goes at the top, and it fits my wet sponge completely inside. So it's obviously going to be perfect for smaller, dry sponges as well. I feel like it's a great product because it has these holes to make it super breathable for the sponge to dry up without getting too dirty or start smelling or get any sort of bacteria or fungus on it. And the best part is these holes have cute little hearts, which I absolutely love. I'm so glad that I found this. This is going to be in my travel makeup kit at all times. Moving on to the next one, which was just for 225 rupees, is this mason jar. I have been looking for these for a very long time. ये मेरे पास पहले भी था, but I think between moving cities, I misplaced it somewhere, and I'm glad to have it back in my life. This is great for drinking water, coconut water, juices, just keeping with you at all times to keep refilling and making sure that you're having your water intake throughout the day. The straw, however, is a plastic one, but on Amazon you also get some with the glass straw. I'm going to link some below in any case. If you have a higher budget, go ahead and pick that up for yourself. But I think overall this looks very cute. You can have milkshakes, cold coffees, anything in this. Next up is a travel hack, and this comes in a set of 3 for 239 rupees. It helps make your bottles leak proof. All you have to do is put these onto your bottle. I've had so many situations where I've had my shampoos or conditioners or any toiletries just spilling all over my suitcase, and when you're traveling, especially abroad, it's too difficult to figure out a solution for it. And I feel like these set of 3 silicone covers are such a problem-solving solution. I would 100% recommend that you get these for yourself, especially if you travel a lot, or even if you don't, this is super handy. Next up, we've got these Underarms sweat pads. I've seen them so many times on the internet, but I've never actually got it for myself. And honestly, it's a great hack, especially if you're going out for an important meeting or an interview, or you go to college, you have a presentation. And we all tend to get sweaty, especially women in their armpit area. And if you're wearing a shirt, the stain is going to show through. So this is again a solution for that. And this comes in 12 pairs. So this has 24 pieces. Just for 199 rupees, which is mind-blowing. All you have to do is take off the sticker, so peel the sticker off, invert the garment that you're going to wear, and then stick this onto the inner sleeve, the inner corners of the sleeve, and just put it back on like a regular shirt or a t-shirt, and you're good to go. Trust me, you will not see any sweat stains in your underarm or your armpit area. A lot of times I feel like when we see sweat stains on people, it's not a very appealing situation. So this is a great hack to avoid that. The next product, I'm actually surprised. I have never seen this before, and I'm sure it must have been in the market, but I happened to find it on Amazon this time. And these are called pad pouches. Didn't know these existed. I tend to just sort of dump the pads if I'm traveling into my suitcase, or if I'm just heading out of the house and I need to carry them with me, I'll just dump it in my handbag, and it obviously looks unorganized and messy. And here comes the perfect solution for it. This really cute peach emoji pink pouch bag, just for 239 rupees, and I can take it with me whenever I'm traveling, or I can just pop it into my handbag as well. I feel like some products you don't even feel like you need a solution to, but when you see these products, you think that, oh my god, this is so handy and useful. So I would recommend that you get this for yourself. I also feel like all the Amazon finds that I share with you guys, they turn out to be mostly helpful for women and girls. So if you have any party favors that you want to arrange, if you're getting married and you want to gift your bridesmaid something, you can actually make a really nice hamper out of all of these products. And the best part about Amazon, if you're a Prime member, you can get these things delivered to you literally the next day or maximum in 2 days. So that's a really good thing. Anyway, that is it about this pad pouch. Let's move on to the next product. Next up is this makeup brush cleaning pad right here, which I've stuck onto the wall, and you can actually stick it onto any bathroom wall as well, wherever you clean your brushes. And there were different sizes in this. This was for 99 or 100 rupees only. You get smaller ones for cheaper, and even bigger ones that you can stick onto your basin completely. So if you're a makeup artist, this will come super handy for you. Otherwise, for regular use, this size would be perfect. You can stick it onto your basins as well, so it makes it super easy to rinse off your makeup brushes. All you have to do is put some soap on it, put some water on it, and just brush your makeup brushes on top, and they'll be squeaky clean. Next up are these silk pillowcases. They come in a set of 2, and they send some free scrunchies along with this. This was for 289 rupees. If you have a skin that's acne prone, silk pillowcases, a lot of people say, are helpful. It's also better for your hair, because when you wake up, your hair doesn't get as tangled as it would with a cotton pillowcase. So silk ones are definitely more recommended by a lot of hairstylists and dermats as well. Sleeping on them makes it much better for your skin and hair. I'm going to be trying out for the first time, but I found it very reasonable. Just for 289 rupees, a set of 2 with some free scrunchies makes for a perfect purchase. And lastly, I got these set of 10 hair ties for just 85 rupees. These are these Zig Zag hair ties, which I recommended in my hair care routine videos, that these are much better and safer for your hair. They don't damage it, especially when you pull it out. None of your hair gets pulled apart with these hair ties. I'm not sure if you get other colors in this, but I would highly recommend them. If you tend to lose your hair ties like all of us girls do, these would be great because you have 10 of them handy. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys found this helpful as usual. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do more Amazon finds in some specific category. What I mean is, अगर सिर्फ travel Amazon finds चाहिए या सिर्फ beauty या सिर्फ fashion, मुझे comment section में बताओ and I will make that for you guys. Also, I realized कि 300 के budget में इतने ज़्यादा options नहीं है, but if I go slightly higher, maybe like 500, 600 or 700, I can get a lot more hidden gems on Amazon. So let me know in the comments down below if that is something you'd like to watch, and I will be back with a part 3. Bye bye.